Hi, welcome to Wordpress with Santosh. These are WordPress tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install a custom plugin that can run code, any arbitrary code on any page that you want. Let's get started. Log into the admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Plugins, Add New, Plugin. We will be searching for a plugin. If you have any notification, cross them off. The plugin that we are looking for is called as WP Code. So type the name of the plugin. Once you type the name of the plugin, it will show up over here. As you can see, it is the first one. WP insert headers and footers, custom code snippets, WordPress code manager. Click on install now. Once that is done, what you should do is you should activate it. Click on activate button and it says activated active. Once that is done, just to double check, you can click on install plugins if you want, and it should be displayed here. It says WP Code Live. This is the plugin version 2.1.1. That shouldn't matter. The version numbers just additional functionalities. On the left hand side, then, if you look at it adds a new menu item called as code snippets. I want you to take your mouse on that, and on the right hand side, click on add snippet, right? Or you can click on code snippet. Let's click on add snippet. What this will help you do is it will help you add the code snippets, right? If you click on code snippets, it will display all the code snippets over here. From here also, you can click on add snippet if you want, right? For example, here is something that you don't want. You can click on trash. What that will do is it will remove that particular snippet. You can again X out of the notifications. Click on add new. And what we want to do is we want to add own code. So click on add your custom code, click on use snippet. And over here it says inactive and now it says active. What we want to do is add the title for the snippet. I'll just say test 123. And what I want to do is I want to just have a header that says test 123 executed. Right? Here, if you see, there is code type. Here, I just put HTML code. H1 is a header tag for HTML. So I put that. You can also use your JavaScript, PHP, and you can use your CSS as well. So once this is done, it's always a good idea to click on Save Snippet to begin with. What that will do is it will save your snippet and what you have done. And now let's scroll down a little bit and look at the other options. Insertion. Insertion method is auto insert over here so that it is automatically executed anywhere where it can execute, right? Otherwise, we would select shortcode. So now we have location. The location is the place where you want to display this. So these are the locations. For example, let's see. Here it says uh, on the left hand side, it says global over here at the moment, as you can see. These are the options that we are going to fine tune now. Click on page specific. Over here, if you see, you have a lot of other options. For example, insert before post. You can click on that. Insert after post. You can click on that, right? You have a lot of options like these that can be customized. So what I want to customize now is I want to display it on a page, right? On a particular page. So what I do is I go over here and say where page name is. I'm trying to find something where it says page name. So Here it doesn't have that option. As you can see, it just gives you all these generic options. Let's say site-wide footer, for example, right? Site-wide footer. This has the option. Uh, the footer is at the bottom. For example, over here, if we just take this URL, right? The footer is Nimi powered by WordPress. That is the footer bit. As you can see now, it doesn't have that. So when I say site-wide footer, I can use some conditional logic. For example, when it is on the home page, which is this page, display the snippet. So I will click on enable logic and I will just say add new group and I will select a particular page, right? Page URL. So the page URL is this, which is the main page. Then go ahead and display this code snippet. Right? You can also use and or conditional logics over here. For now, what I will do is it is done for me. Uh, I'll just click on update. Once that is done, uh, I go ahead and reload the page. If I come down here, you can see that the test 123 executed. That is a successful message. That's wonderful, guys. If you like this video, please go ahead and share this with your friends, like the video, and help me create more videos like this. Right? One more thing before I leave, for example, it can also be a universal snippet. For example, if it is a universal snippet, let's see if it will help us add some PHP code. Right? I'll just say that is the meaning of universal snippet, by the way. So let's see if that works. Otherwise, as I it that it did work, right? The universal code snippet, what it does is will help you to add the PHP code as well. For example, you can get some details from other site and then paste it over here. So that's about it for this video, guys. I'll just change this to Word before I leave so that you understand what I just did. I used PHP code there. There we go. So that's about it in this video. Thank you so much for sharing this with your friends, and I hope that I was able to help you with the tutorial. If you have any confusion, just ask me and I will make a video on it.